we are going to work on slide 9, which is pretty much the same as slide number 8, even though I kept calling it slide number 7. Really, slide number 8. This, what we are working on, the validate cost of living exponential equation. This is slide 9. You will still need your Desmos calculator or a calculator, so please make sure you pause the video and get that pulled up. And you will still want to have your snip and sketch tool, screen grab, whatever piece you use. So again, this is the same process that we used for the validate salary exponential equation, except on this one, we're going to be using the cost of living exponential equation. So up here, I added on a D because it's supposed to be validated. Yep, validated. The graph was validated by using the exponential equation and substituting the x value with, and again, instead of 3 different years, we'll use the same 2, 10, and 20 years. All right, and then once again, I am headed back to the compute slide to get my equation for the cost of living. So 42,120 times the quantity of 1.054, and then our x, our power of, will change as we do the different calculations for the 3 different years we've selected. So once again, that cost of living, the 1 stands for 100% of the cost of living, the previous cost of living, plus the increase of about 5.4%. So 42,120 times the quantity, 1.054. Okay. And then for 2 years, I'm just going to use the squared button right there. And that comes out to $46,791 and about 78 cents. So once again, I will use that snip tool to grab just this piece of the calculator. I don't need the whole page, so I can just use this piece. Copy. Paste. Once again, I can arrange the size of those later. So my next one is 10 years. So heading back to my calculator, and I discovered I can pop right up here and erase the previous X value and put in the new one. So after 10 years, cost of living is approximately $71,267.98 per year. So grab a screenshot of just this piece, copy, paste. Okay, and once again, this validate piece is simply a proving that the numbers that you got on slide 7 here with the graphs and then the tables, that they do indeed match up. So it's that proof piece. And then again, coming back here and typing in those 20 years. Copy, paste. This down a little bit. And again, I can make some adjustments to the sizes of my snip and sketches here to make sure that they're all 3 visible. And here we go. Okay, so down here on this summary of the calculations, same thing that we did on the previous slide. Okay. To validate, I typed in the cost of living exponential equation. Replacing the x with the 3 different values, and those values were 2, 10, and 20. And I'm just going to use the 2 years. $46,791 and 78. And this matches the graph on slide 7. Boom. Right. And I can make some adjustments to make sure this gets completely on the slide. So once again, just cleaning it up, and obviously you'll have time to do these pieces. There we go. Yay, there we go. And that is slide number 9.